Hi, this is Christian from FXVPS, your world-class Forex VPS provider. In this video, I will show you how to map a network drive from remote desktop back to your local computer. First, open any folder on your local computer that you want to be seen inside the VPS. For example, I want to copy this folder to my VPS. So to be able to copy files from local computer to FXVPS, we need to check the VPS and see if we have an access on your local computer storage drive. As you can see from inside the VPS, your storage drive doesn't show. So what I will need to do is close the VPS first. Then open Remote Desktop Connection app. Type in my VPS IP address. Click Show Options. Click Local Resources. And then click More. Under Drives, you need to check the box of which local disk drive would that folder belong. In my case, it belongs to local disk C. Once you are done, click OK. Then connect to your VPS to check. Open the File Explorer, then you should be able to see your local computer disk drive there now. You can open your local computer disk drive inside your VPS and go to the file directory of the files you want to copy. Once you've found the files, you can drag or copy and paste it to FXVPS desktop or any location you want. That's it. Thanks for checking out this video. If you want to see more useful tips using a Forex VPS or a VPS in general, please subscribe to our channel. If you are interested on using one of our VPS, you can try us out for 7 days for only $1.99. Any questions or issues you have, we have our 24 hours live chat support, as well as email that is available anytime.